What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a nighttime POV, as y'all can see. But yeah, man, I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, show y'all the outside view real quick. I say I got the light going. They really like a dark purple. They look blue on camera, but they're real dark purple, and they look so hard. You know what I'm saying? In person, but y'all see what's going on. Big live, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna be a short POV. I don't know if the POV gonna get posted. I don't know if it's gonna be long enough. But by the way, they got some new ties, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see that back there? Ooh, man. And they match the tie, you know what I'm saying? Continental, 285. This my first time going 285. Going 285 on a F boy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that shit was going on, man. I got the flash on too, bro. I thought about this today. I was like, dang, bro, what if I just drive with the flash on? Y'all let me know how y'all rock with that. 'Cause I know at nighttime that junk it don't look the prettiest at night, bro. It'd be hard to get good thumbnails inside the car, even with the ambient lighting. So I know y'all probably like, you really throw it off, but it's a good idea. You know what I'm saying? Like, just like, you know what I'm saying? Just be real, man, be real. It's a good idea, bro. Yeah. It's a good idea, bro. But we finna get straight into it. You feel me? I had to pull over and find a gold bit. I had to pull over and so I can get a little outside footage real quick. I ain't never thought about this. I'm driving with the flash on. You know what I'm saying? But I got decent tint, so it shouldn't bother nobody. I really don't care if I was fit bowling. I still do it. But yeah, car crew. I know I ain't get to talk to y'all boys since Christmas or around that time, but you know what I'm saying? It's a new year, man. Happy New Year. Late Happy New Year. Belated Happy New Year, ugly ass. To all the people out there, you know what I'm saying? But we just finna get this show on the road, ugly ass. Let y'all boy hear a few pops and bangs. You know what I'm saying? That kind of thing. No, I ain't gonna do it. I forgot. 12 had somebody pulled over here. I don't know if they still over here. See, they're all about to risk it all for y'all, boy. Can't be doing that, boy. You gotta be on your P's and Q's, not your Q's and P's, you know what I mean? Let's see if I can try it now. Quick little sticker. Sticker! Slight little sticker. My tune ain't been popping like very loud like you usually do, bro. It been doing like little baby pops. I don't know what's up with that, but that boy let me know. Shit, that was decent. It was supposed to be a little bit like louder than that. Sticker. Damn. That was loud. I ain't gonna lie, that bit was loud, boy. That bit was loud, cuz. Damn. It's like that bitch be so loud, that's the only thing you can say. You can't say nothing else but that. That's how loud that bitch be. Y'all let me know y'all rocking with the flag. I know the flag kind of, okay, I had to adjust it. Now it look a little better. It was kind of bright. I had to adjust the lighting of the camera. That look a little better. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, let me know, man. If I don't start it, so I know nigga probably ain't gonna do this, but it's stupid. But hey, it's crispy though, you feel me? You can see everything crispy, you know what I'm saying? Damn. I just rolled past security. Nigga was driving like he was G-Peasy. Lemon squeezy, faux cheesy, double leaguey back out. that ain't popping loud, bro. I don't know what that's about, bro. Cause like you take the tune off and put it back on, like it recalibrates differently. Cause sometimes it'll be dang near perfect how you want it in. A lot of times it'll be, I'm gonna do a little third gear pull. These tires be hooking too, boy. I ain't gonna cap. This my first time having 285. Hold on. Sticky for licky bicky, it come. See, it ain't even popping loud now. That's crazy. Like that bit ain't popping. I gotta probably take it off and do it again, bro. Like that bit not doing nothing, bro. That's doing crazy, bro. Like I don't know what's going on with Olivia, bro. She tripping. Olivia tripping, bro. I don't know what's wrong with her. I like them big flames. I'm talking about like nigga kaboom, kablow, shibs out. Nigga, I want that anime noise when that bit pop flame. We're gonna do a little. What it? Sticker. Damn. Bit loud though. Bit loud going up in that tunnel. Who this is behind me? Oh, okay. Just had to make sure. Man, stop. You know one thing I hate, bro? Y'all can't see him. One thing I can't stand, bro, when somebody be slowing down behind you and like they get so close to where you can't even see their headlights no more. Like they headlights is under your trunk. Like, bro, stop doing that, bro. I can't stand when folks do that. I can't stand when folks do that, bro. Okay, like, bro, why you slowing down so late for? And you can pull up beside me. You choose to stay behind me. Like, bro, going on, bro. I can't stand when folks do that car crew, bro. It might just be me. You feel me? It may just be me. I don't know, but I just don't like that, bro. I be wanting for only keep your distance. Folks don't know, like, in driver's ed, like, you supposed to be farther back enough, further back enough to where you can see, like, the tires of the car in front of you. That's the kind of spacing you supposed to have. You know what I'm saying? When you at a red light or anywhere stop sign, like, they're supposed to be where you can see their tires on the ground from how you sit in your seat. Cause that let you know you got enough room. If you need to, you can, you know what I'm saying, whip out and turn out the light, you know what I'm saying, get from behind them if you got to. If you can't see them tires, boy, and you, for some folks that like to be so close on folks, you can't even see their tag, but yeah, too close, way too close, but you can't even go nowhere. Like, you stuck. Gonna do a 40 roll. Sticker. Damn. I wasn't even flooring that bit. But yeah, man. Looks like a little POV, man. You know what I'm saying? Some smooth, slight, collective. You know what I'm saying? Nighttime POV, man. Popping flame. Doing a little pull. Slight little cut up, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. That's gonna be a wrap though for tonight's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. I got something special on the way, y'all boys. I don't really want to spoil it, but y'all gonna see it. But I got something special. Well, somebody headlight threw me off. They so white, they look blue. Thought a nigga had to cut the lights off, you know what I mean? But yeah. Y'all boys, I got some I got a new equipment, you feel me? Finna get these outside views of the whip, man, while we driving, you know what I'm saying? See the flames at night, you feel me? Or just daytime, people reaction, or, you know, if I get other cars to ride with me, I can just see how everything look. You know what I'm saying? From that point of view, you feel me? Yeah, man. Be in tune for that, you feel me? Stay tuned for that, bro. Y'all think y'all gonna rock with the outside POV? Y'all always talking about outside POV, how it looking, just getting different angles and all that with the POVs and stuff. So hopefully y'all rock with that, man. But make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You feel me? And yeah, like I said at the end of my video, for all my religious folks, you gotta go. You trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. You feel me? And yeah, like I also say, man, in all my videos, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.